Hi, my name is James, and I came to British India Academy for a crash course for IELTS, and basically I was asked to get a score of 7 overall, but thanks to the support and help of the staff here, I got a score of 8 in the IELTS exam. So one of the greatest advantages of taking a course here is the flexibility that they offer. So in spite of my busy work schedule, the management was really helpful in accommodating me and giving me the allowing me to come here at the times that I chose. So I was given a lot of focus here and given a lot of information and hints about how to crack this exam and get a good score. So all those points really helped me, and I would like to really thank the staff for being really helpful out here. So everyone here has a very helping mentality, and it's a very nice atmosphere here to study and develop your score. So you are also given mock tests, so and they regularly assess you and help you to improve your scores. So I think it has really helped me a lot. Thank you.